Hey everyone, it's Galore here, and if you want to see how I did this quick weave, stay tuned. So this is my braid pattern. That's my leave out on top. I left a little bit of hair out on the sides. Now I'm about to put my wig cap on. Next, I'm using Growth Protect solution, and this is going to make it easy so the glue doesn't get on your hair. I'm just taking that, putting that on the brush. I'm just going to put that all over the head, smooth it down. And I did the rest off camera, but just showing you how it looks when you put it on there. Next, I'm just going to blow dry it till it's nice and hard. And this is what it looks like when you cut the cap away. I'm just going to show you what it looks like in the back. It's nice and dry now, so it has a little bit of a gray look. So I'm using Visso, if I'm pronouncing that right, in the color 2, and it's 16 inches long, and that's the hair glue I'm using to apply it. Just showing you the process, speeding it up a little bit, showing you how it's coming along. Now I'm showing you what the top's looking like, adding the track, and that's how it looks. This is the back. So the back is actually the number 2, and on top I used 1B, so that's why it looks dark on top. Alright, flipped my edges. Now I'm using my Got2b spray, and I'm gonna spray the side to go ahead and do the swoop. This part is a little tedious. You want to do it as slow as you can, so you give you a nice, sleek swoop. So I did some of it on camera, and I did the rest off camera. And that's how it looks. And I just pinned it with some bobby pins on the side, my hair pulled back. I'm just going to brush that hair over the top of that swoop, and I'm going to flat iron it out. And also flat iron the other side off camera. Next, I'm using my Hicks edges, and I'm going to put that on the little bit of hair I left out on the side to go ahead and swoop the edges back. I'm going to take my little brush, and I'm just going to brush that back, give it a natural look. Smooth it out. And now I'm just taking some liquid black liner to put on the side of my edges because they were a little thin. So that's just going to make it look more natural and have it blend in better. That's the final touches on that. Yes, ma'am. And I went ahead and did my makeup off camera. So this is how it looked, and this is how it came out. Nice little swoop 90s look. I'm going to show you guys the back now. Now you can see the brown at the bottom, the color 2 that I used, and the 1B that I used on top. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe, follow me on Instagram, cc_galore. Thank you.